Today, we are going to talk about the latest promo of Rimjim, and believe me, this upcoming episode is going to be one of the most emotional and inspiring episodes of the series. The story takes an unexpected turn as Samir is forced to put aside his pride and face a challenge that no one ever imagined he would accept. The promo opens with Guru Ma calling Samir to her. Her expression is serious, and it immediately becomes clear that something important is about to happen. She tells Samir that if he truly wishes to become her disciple, he must understand that this journey is not about power, status, or recognition. It is a path of sacrifice, discipline, patience, and complete surrender. Guru Ma explains that every disciple who has ever trained under her has gone through painful trials. These tests are not meant to punish anyone. Instead, they are designed to remove arrogance and teach the true meaning of humility. She looks directly into Samir's eyes and tells him that the biggest obstacle standing in his way is his ego. Until he learns to leave his pride behind, he can never become worthy of receiving her blessings. Samir listens carefully. Deep inside, he believes he is prepared for any challenge. He expects Guru Ma to ask him to perform some difficult task, perhaps something that requires courage or physical strength. But what Guru Ma says next leaves him completely stunned. She calmly tells Samir that his very first task is to go out into the streets and beg for alms from strangers. For a few moments, Samir is unable to react. He cannot believe what he has just heard. A man who has always carried himself with confidence is now being asked to stand before unknown people with folded hands. His heart is filled with confusion. His pride tells him to refuse, but his faith tells him to trust Guru Ma completely. After thinking silently for a few moments, Samir finally makes his decision. He realizes that Guru Ma is not asking him to collect money. She is asking him to conquer himself. Without saying another word, he accepts the challenge. Soon, Samir reaches a crowded marketplace. People are busy with their daily lives, completely unaware of the emotional battle taking place inside him. Taking a deep breath, he begins asking strangers for alms. Every moment feels heavier than the last. Some people stop, smile gently, and offer him money without asking any questions. Others look at him with surprise because they recognize him. A few whisper among themselves, wondering why Samir is standing there in such a condition. Some even walk past him without paying any attention at all. Each reaction becomes another test of his patience. Even though he feels embarrassed, Samir never loses his focus. He reminds himself again and again that this is not about humiliation. It is about learning humility. Every coin he receives becomes a symbol of another step toward overcoming his pride. Meanwhile, Mohini arrives at the marketplace. The moment she sees Samir begging in public, she freezes in shock. She cannot believe her eyes. Her heart breaks as she watches him standing among strangers, asking for alms. She wonders why Guru Ma would ever give such a difficult task to someone who has already suffered so much. Mohini wants to stop him. She wants to tell him that he doesn't have to prove anything to anyone. But when she sees the determination on Samir's face, she realizes that nothing can change his mind. At the same time, Rimjim also learns about Samir's sacrifice. She becomes emotional after discovering what he is doing. She understands that Samir is not completing this challenge for fame or recognition. He is doing it because he truly believes this journey will help him become a better person. This realization makes Rimjim respect Samir even more. As the day continues, Samir patiently completes Guru Ma's task. Despite facing embarrassment, judgment, and countless emotional moments, he refuses to give up. His determination becomes stronger with every passing minute. Finally, after collecting the required alms, Samir rushes back to Guruma. He knows that completing the task is important, but returning with honesty and sincerity is even more important. Standing before Guruma, Samir respectfully places the money at her feet. He doesn't ask for appreciation. He doesn't expect praise. He simply bows his head with complete humility. Guruma silently watches him. For the first time, she notices a remarkable change in Samir. The confidence that once bordered on arrogance has now transformed into calmness and patience. She realizes that her first lesson has already begun changing him from within. However, Guru Ma does not reveal whether Samir has completely passed the test. Instead, she hints that this was only the beginning. Many more difficult challenges are waiting ahead, and every one of them will test Samir's faith, determination, and emotional strength in ways he has never experienced before. On the other hand, the upcoming competition also remains a major concern. Samir wants to succeed not only for himself but also for Rimjim. His sacrifices have become greater than ever, but whether they will lead him to victory remains the biggest mystery. The latest promo clearly suggests that the coming episodes will be filled with emotional confrontations, powerful life lessons, unexpected twists, and heartfelt moments between Samir, Rimjim, Mohini, and Guruma. Now, several important questions remain unanswered. Will Guruma finally accept Samir as her true disciple? Has Samir really left his ego behind, or will another even tougher challenge expose his weaknesses? How will Mohini react after witnessing Samir's sacrifice? Will Rimjim stand beside Samir throughout this difficult journey? And most importantly, will Samir's dedication help him win the competition and fulfill his promise? The answers to all these questions will be revealed in the upcoming episodes of Rimjim, and judging by this promo, fans are in for an unforgettable emotional roller coaster. What do you think will happen next? Share your predictions in the comments below. Do you think Samir deserves to become Guru Ma's disciple? Will he successfully overcome every challenge that comes his way? We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this episode review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Rimjim updates, episode reviews, and exciting television news.